Hi YouTube. Check out this sweet Fira Code font I have installed on VS Codium on my Chromebook. It's pretty nice, right? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you how to install Fira Code on your Chromebook so you can use it in all your Linux apps. But first, if you like videos like this, where I show you how to install software and how to set it up, please make sure to subscribe. Okay, with that out of the way, let's get started. The first thing that you want to do is open up the terminal that comes installed when you install the Linux apps. And I'm going to just maximize this and click on Penguin here. And once that starts up, let's just increase the font size so you can see what I'm doing. So to install the Fira Code font, it's pretty easy. All I do is type sudo apt install fonts-Fira Code, all in one word, and hit enter. Okay, you'll see I've already installed the Fira Code font, but if you haven't, it would go ahead and install. Now, to use this font, you will have to restart any app you've been using so it recognizes that the font is installed. But once you do that, let me start up Pulsar to demonstrate. Okay, so Pulsar has started up. Okay, so all I'm going to do is Control Comma. Go to Editor. Most of these apps are somewhat similar to this. You'll see I have Fira Code Retina not listed as my top font. I could just move this furthest to the left here. Okay, so now the font actually changed once I did that. And now if I go back here to my editor, you'll see I have this font is a little bit different. This is the Fira Code Retina version of the Fira Code font. And that's all there is to setting up Fira Code for your Linux apps on your Chromebook. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, could you help the video out by giving it a like? Thank you.